So what have we got here? Looks like we have an integral with initial condition. So we're not going to have that c at the end. We'll be able to actually find out which member of the family we're looking at. So let's anti-differentiate. So I'm just going to do this one. It's going to be 6. We could simplify as we go, but I'll write this one. Increase the exponent by 1, divide by the new exponent, minus 2. Increase the exponent by 1, divide by the new exponent, plus 3 and x, right? And then we actually do get the plus c here for a while. So let's simplify. 3 into 6 is 2, so we get 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x plus c. Now we know this. When x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 14, right? We're given that condition right here. We're given that f of 2 is 14, which means when x is 2, the output is 14. So let's put the 2 right back in here for these x's, and we'll set the whole thing equal to 14. So we will get 2 times 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus c equals, okay, now that whole thing is equal to 14. So where are we here now? This is going to give us 8 times 2 is 16, minus 4 is 12, plus 6 takes us to 18. So here's where we are now. We're at 18. We're at 18 plus c equals 14. So let's subtract. We'll get c equals 14 minus 18, negative 4. So now instead of having this family of curves, we have the very specific curve, which is, and I'll write it right here in red. How about 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x, and then the c we found to be negative 4. Problem number 5, we also have an integral with an initial condition, right? We know that when x is 1, the output is 4. So let's evaluate the integral. I'm going to do it like this. I'll get the integral of 3x to the, now I'm going to bring that exponent up so I can deal with this. And then let's evaluate it. So this is going to give us 3. Now x to the, right, let's write it all out. Negative 2/3 plus 1 over negative 2/3 plus 1 plus c. This will give us 3 times, all right, x to the, now what do we have in the top? Negative 2/3 plus 1. Negative 2/3 plus 3/3 is 1/3 over, all right, 2/3 plus 1 is 1/3 plus c. Now we can simplify this, right? When you divide by a fraction, you invert and multiply. So if I write it like this, you can do this in your head if you want to. 3 over 1, x to the 1/3 plus c. So we're going to get 9x to the 1/3 plus c when we evaluate that integral. Now we know this. When x is equal to 1, f of x is equal to 4. So let's put the 1 right back in here and set the whole thing equal to 4. You'll see. So I'll do that up here at the top right. So we'll get 9 times 1 to the 1/3 plus c equals 4. Well, 1 to any power is 1. So I get 9 plus c is 4. So c must be negative 5. So I'm going to rewrite this now to look like this. I'll rewrite this as 9x to the 1/3 and then minus 5. That's our integral. That's probably good, but I think what I might do is, you could write it like this too if you wanted. This would be what? The cube root of x minus 5. Both of those work.